Today I am testing AI website builders using the same prompt. We'll see whether they can go live straight away and which AI website builder will fulfill my vision the best. Alright, let's go. Okay, so the idea is to use the same prompt on 3 different AI website builders and then compare the results. I've used all of these builders before, and honestly, these are some solid builders, but at the same time, very different. So if you want to try any of them, I've got discount codes in the description for you. Alright, anyway, enough blabbering. It is time to put our first AI website builder to the test. Hostinger. While it has an AI WordPress builder as well, it makes more sense to use their own hosting or website builder, as it will require less from you after it gets built, and well, that's the goal here. So I want to build a blog kind of website where I review AI tools and post cool news, finds, and developments about AI. Basically a hub for nerds to read about AI. So yeah, using AI to make content about AI. I've got quite a detailed prompt for it. Let's see what Hostinger makes of it. So I've pasted in the prompt and the demo site got built in under a minute. Now the results are also pretty decent. The website is filled with placeholder text, images, a subscription box, and more. There is a homepage, a blog, and reviews. A good base to build on. That said, I don't like that for some reason my name's not capitalized, so let's give it another shot for Hostinger with the same prompt. Honestly, the results are similar. My name's still not fixed. Not a biggie though, takes a few seconds to fix. Let's pick a better color scheme, something that fits CoolTechZone, and let's get editing. Hostinger Editor is really simple to use as it's got drag and drop controls with a grid system. Now, if you want to replace placeholder text and images, you can use Hostinger AI tools like AI Image Generator, AI Writer, or even AI Blog Generator. For me, these writing tools mostly help avoid blank page syndrome and get things going quicker, while the AI Image Generator gives a visual when I need one, but don't have anything relevant. Now, thinking that the website is about AI, I might have to use this tool more than I'd honestly like to. Okay, so after I make the website look like mine, there's another AI tool that I can recommend for any beginner. That is the AI SEO Assistant. Search engine optimization is usually something no one likes to deal with and is kind of confusing for beginners, but with this tool, it takes like a minute or 2 to set it up, depending on how many pages you've got. After that, my blog's ready. And man, that was so quick, and the results don't look half bad at all. It is going to be tough for these other website builders to compete, but we should let them do the talking. I mean, do the work. I will be doing the talking. Anyhow, if you want Hostinger at the lowest price possible, scan this QR code or hit the link in the description. Next, to build a website with AI, we've got IONOS Website Builder, or as they call themselves, IONOS My Website Now. So I guess I can just say, IONOS My Website Now. Okay, probably a bad idea. Yeah, I guess. AI's not quite there yet. Nothing's happening. Let's type in the same brand name as with Hostinger and then paste in the same prompt. There's also an option to select website tone. Since it's a blog, let's inspire some folk and go with inspirational. Next, we have font selection and then colors, but have only 3 options. But you can select from more options once the AI builds the site, so I'm not gonna overthink it at this point. I like that the AI is building while we make these selections. That's better than just watching the bar fill up. Alright, IONOS AI built 8 designs to choose from, and if you still don't find the one you like, you can refine your instructions. Honestly, I didn't like most of them that much, but I've picked one that looked alright. Now, the editor, compared to Hostinger, is very minimalistic. It has all the basics, even though the design options are, let's say, questionable. Some of these shape themes are not that professional, honestly, but you can always stick with something like perspectives. Still, with these limited options, it is hard to make a design that stands out. On the other hand, it is super easy to edit, and it has some AI tools too, like for text or setting up SEO. Overall though, I like the website Hostinger built a bit better, but if you are after simplicity and want to go with IONOS, check the link in the description for the lowest price. So let's try another builder. This one's a bit different. It has kind of the same prompt builder as the other 2, but it uses WordPress, which is much more customizable and has a steeper learning curve. I am of course talking about Bluehost and their Wondersuite AI builder. After installing the WordPress site, you can just build with AI by typing in your brand name and pasting in a prompt. I will of course be using the exact same prompt and brand name once again. It took around a minute and Bluehost gave me 3 website template selections. Now honestly, they are all kind of similar and the entire look is very basic, but I understand why. It uses WordPress, so it expects you to know at least a little bit, or that you're willing to spend some time customizing and adding things. It basically gives you the bones that you can build on, while hosting at an IONOS build more from the get-go, but require replacing the information to make the website yours. WordPress Wondersuite Editor uses their default Wonder theme, which uses Wonder blocks, so I guess everything is wonderful there? Anyhow, Wonder blocks uses a library of pre-designed block patterns and page templates that you can drag into your pages, then tweak with images, text, fonts, and colors. And if you need help with anything, there's an AI-driven guide built right into the WordPress dashboard that offers step-by-step instructions. Now, for building WordPress stores with built-in promotion options like BOGO deals and cross-sells, you can use their e-commerce tool, Wonder Cart. Overall, it is much easier than using the default WordPress builder, but it's still WordPress and will require more time and patience than you'll need with hosting or IONOS. But if you want more customization and got time or experience with WordPress on your hands, Bluehost Wondersuite is definitely worth a try. Just don't overpay for it, grab the discount code from the description. So you've probably got an idea on how to build a website and what do you get with each one of these AI website creation tools. But how much are you giving them? Well, let's compare pricing. Just a heads up, the prices you see are with my discounts that you can get by using the links in the description. The lowest entry price you can get is offered by IONOS, and yeah, there is literally a $1 a month plan, but the catch is that it's only valid for a year, then you'll have to pay the renewal price, which is much higher. That said, even with such a jump, IONOS is still one of the most budget-friendly premium website builders out there. Hostinger also has a friendly entry price. It's a little bit higher than IONOS, but long-term it's way cheaper, as you can get this starting price for 48 months. That's even true if you go for the business website builder plan, which has all the AI tools and e-commerce functionality. Now, Bluehost is a bit pricier than the other two, but it still gives you great value for those who want resources and WordPress builders with AI functionality. Alright, so let's rewind a little bit and take a final look at what each of the website builders built with the same prompt. Overall, I like Hostinger's website the most, while IONOS comes second, but it is not exactly a fair race as Bluehost AI claims to leave more customization freedom. Now, considering the editing tools and complexity, Hostinger is overall the most well-rounded choice, while IONOS is going to be the easiest to use and Bluehost gives you the most customization due to its WordPress nature. Whichever you choose though, don't overpay, just use my discount from the description. And thanks for watching, time to go build your site. Peace.